Hi. Welcome to the new video of PowerPoint card design series. In this video, we are going to make this PowerPoint presentation. So, let's get started. At first, take a rectangle shape. Pressing Ctrl+D, make duplicate of it. Now, select the image and the shape. Go to Shape Format. Select Intersect. Now, add another rectangle shape. Format the shape. Select the slide and press Ctrl+D to make duplicate. Now, resize the shape. Continue the same process. Now, add texts in every slides. It's time to add animation. Pressing Ctrl, select all the slides and add Morph Transition. We are all set. That's all for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and for more upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe the channel. For any query, you can comment below.